Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and today I'm really excited to give you a tour of this Audi Q5 Sport Quattro finished in the stunning Floret Silver metallic paint. This car benefits from a 2-litre diesel engine and gives 190 PS. And starting at the front, we have the LED headlights, which also comes with automatic headlight adjustment. Here we have the 18-inch alloy wheels, which are in 5-arm star design. The door mirrors in this car are electrically adjustable and heated with integrated side indicators, and as this is a sport model we have the aluminium window trims as well as the aluminium roof rails, so it is really handy if this is a family car for you and you do want to carry any bikes on top. Onto the back of the car we have the stunning dynamic rear indicators, and opening up the boot space here you can see it definitely does not disappoint. We have a huge spacious boot. It's also a power operated tailgate, so it does come down automatically there with a push of a button. And moving on to the stunning interior, we have the full leather sport front seats, really stunning and luxurious and comfortable. We also have the matte brushed aluminium inlays with the Quattro detailing, as this car is a 4-wheel drive, so it does come amazing for all weathers and all roads. Here we have the Multimedia Interface with some amazing features such as the DAB digital radio, telephone Bluetooth connect for hand-free calls on the go, as well as Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to put the car into any mode they would like, for example dynamic for that sportier drive, or efficiency if you're going on a longer drive and want to save some fuel. Here we have the 3-zone deluxe climate control, really accessible for both the driver and passenger, so there's no arguments in this car. Heated seats, just another added luxury, as well as the parking aid with front and rear sensors to make sure you can get this SUV in any parking spot as easy as possible. We also have the electromechanical parking brake for your convenience. And moving on to the driver's side, we have the stunning cockpit here, which includes the sat-nav, telephone and radio display. As you can see, this car's only done 18,390 miles, so it's extremely low mileage, especially for its age. We also have cruise control with speed limiter, making this car an absolute dream for long motorway drives. Gear shift paddles if you do want to be more in control of your automatic, as well as the automatic lights and the electric door mirror controls, as well as the SOS button, really accessible there if you do need any roadside assistance. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 868 216.